You know that feeling when you step into a perfectly designed space, everything's sleek and in its place? Yeah, we're going for that vibe today, but with a tech twist. If you've been dreaming of upgrading your living space into an ultra-modern smart home, you're in the right place. We're about to dive into the top 5 gadgets that will transform your home into a sleek, efficient, and futuristic oasis. No more fumbling for light switches or worrying about the thermostat. These are the essentials that'll make your home feel like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but, without the spaceships. Unless you're into that. Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the easiest way to add a touch of modern flair to your home's smart lighting. And when it comes to smart lighting, Philips Hue is in a league of its own. We're not just talking about turning your lights on and off with your phone here, people. Philips Hue offers a wide range of smart bulbs that let you fine-tune the color, brightness, and even the timing of your lighting, all with the sound of your voice or a few taps on your smartphone. Imagine this. You walk in the door after a long day and boom, the lights automatically switch to a warm, relaxing glow. With Philips Hue, you can adjust your lighting to match your mood, set up schedules to wake you up gently in the morning, or even sync your lights with your music and movies for an immersive entertainment experience. Yeah, imagine your living room pulsing with the beat of your favorite tracks. Talk about setting the mood. And the best part? Setting it all up is ridiculously easy. Screw in the Philips Hue bulbs, download the app, and you're good to go. It's so intuitive, even your grandparents could figure it out. Now here's a pro tip: pair your Philips Hue system with a voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant. This unlocks a whole new level of hands-free control. Alexa, dim the lights for movie night, you say, and bam, instant ambiance. So if you're looking for an easy and awesome way to upgrade your home, Philips Hue smart lighting is the perfect place to start. Okay, let's talk about comfort. You know that perfect temperature, the one where you're not too hot, not too cold, just right? Well, the Nest Learning Thermostat is all about making sure your home is always at that sweet spot. This isn't your grandpa's thermostat, this is next-level climate control. The Nest Learning Thermostat takes all the guesswork out of managing your home's temperature. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly how you like it. During the first week, you just use it like a normal thermostat, setting the temperature to your liking. But here's the cool part. The Nest is watching and learning. It learns your schedule, figuring out when you're home, when you're away, and what temperatures you prefer at different times of the day. Then, it takes over, automatically adjusting the temperature to save energy when you're out and about, and ensuring maximum comfort when you're home. It's like magic, but with algorithms. And the best part is, you barely have to lift a finger. But when you do need to tweak things, you can control the Nest Learning Thermostat remotely with your smartphone. On your way home from work on a chilly day, crank up the heat from your phone and your house will be nice and toasty when you arrive. By optimizing your heating and cooling, the Nest Learning Thermostat can help you reduce your energy consumption without sacrificing comfort. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home with a thermostat that's as smart as it is stylish, the Nest Learning Thermostat should be at the top of your list. Amazon Echo Show 10, the ultimate smart home command center. Alright, let's talk about the heart of the ultra-modern smart home, the control center. And when it comes to control centers, the Amazon Echo Show 10 is in a league of its own. This isn't just a smart speaker, it's a smart display, a home automation hub, and a personal assistant all rolled into one sleek package. Seriously, this thing does it all. Need to control your smart lights? Just ask Alexa. Want to check who's at the front door? The Echo Show 10 has you covered. Craving some entertainment, stream music, watch movies, or even make video calls, all with the power of your voice. But here's where the Echo Show 10 really sets itself apart: the rotating screen. This isn't your average stationary display. This screen automatically follows you as you move around the room. That means you'll always have the perfect view, whether you're catching up on the news in the kitchen or jamming out to your favorite playlist in the living room. And let's talk about the sound quality, because this thing packs a punch. The Echo Show 10 speakers deliver rich, room-filling audio that'll make you think you've got a full-on entertainment system in your kitchen. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, you're in for a treat. Use it to set reminders, create shopping lists, get recipe ideas, check the traffic, and so much more. So, if you're looking for a single gadget that can truly transform your home into a smart home, the Amazon Echo Show 10 is the ultimate choice. It's not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your lifestyle in ways you never thought possible. Imagine a home where everything is connected and easily accessible. The Echo Show 10 makes that dream a reality, bringing all your smart devices together in one seamless experience. Okay, let's be real. Nobody actually enjoys vacuuming, right? It's one of those chores that everyone dreads. It's loud, it's time-consuming, and no matter how hard you try, you always seem to miss a spot. Plus, dragging that heavy vacuum around is a workout in itself. But what if I told you that you could have spotless floors without ever having to lift a finger? Imagine coming home to a clean house every day. Enter the iRobot Roomba Y7 Plus, the robot vacuum that's about to change the way you clean forever. Say goodbye to the old ways of vacuuming. This isn't your grandma's robot vacuum that bumps around randomly hoping for the best. This is next-level technology. The Roomba Y7 Plus is equipped with advanced navigation technology that allows it to map out your entire home, learning the layout of each room and identifying obstacles like furniture and stairs. It's like having a tiny little surveyor living under your roof. It knows where to go and what to avoid, and once it has a lay of the land, the Roomba Y7 Plus gets to work, systematically cleaning every nook and cranny of your home. No corner is left untouched. It uses a combination of powerful suction, a rotating brush roll, and corner cleaning brushes to pick up dirt, dust, pet hair, and whatever else your messy roommates might have tracked in. It's thorough and efficient. But here's the really cool part. The Roomba i7 Plus doesn't just clean your floors, it also empties itself. No more dealing with dusty bins. That's right, once it's done cleaning, it automatically returns to its base station, where it empties its dustbin into an enclosed bag that can hold up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That's 2 whole months of not worrying about vacuuming. That means you can go weeks without even thinking about vacuuming. Imagine all the time you'll save. And speaking of not thinking about vacuuming, the Roomba Y7 Plus can be scheduled to clean on your terms. You're in control. Just set up a cleaning schedule through the iRobot app and your robot sidekick will take care of the rest. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant. You can even tell it to clean specific rooms or areas on demand. Got a spill in the kitchen? No problem. So if you're ready to ditch your old vacuum and embrace the future of clean, the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus is the robot vacuum of your dreams. It's time to make vacuuming a thing of the past. Okay, let's talk about something that's not just cool but crucial: home security. In today's world, ensuring the safety of your home and loved ones is more important than ever. Feeling safe and secure in your own home is priceless, and the Ring Alarm Pro is here to bring your home security into the future. It's designed to give you peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected. This isn't just a security system, it's a complete home protection package, all managed from the palm of your hand. Imagine having full control over your home's security no matter where you are. The Ring Alarm Pro is a fully customizable home security system that offers everything from professional monitoring to 24/7 video streaming, motion detectors, and so much more. You can tailor it to fit your specific needs. It's like having a security guard stationed at every entrance and window, but without the awkward small talk. You get the protection without the hassle. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to install and use. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up. The Ring Alarm Pro system comes with everything you need to get started, including sensors for your doors and windows, a motion detector, a keypad, and a base station that connects to your Wi-Fi. It's a complete package. Once it's up and running, you can control everything from the Ring app on your smartphone. It's like having a security command center in your pocket. Arm or disarm your system, check the status of your sensors, view live video feeds from your Ring cameras, and receive instant alerts if anything suspicious is detected. Stay connected and informed at all times. But here's where the Ring Alarm Pro goes beyond traditional security systems. It also doubles as a Wi-Fi router. This dual functionality sets it apart from other systems. That means you get reliable internet coverage throughout your home, even if your main internet connection goes down. Stay online and secure no matter what. Plus, it comes with a built-in Eero router that extends your Wi-Fi range and eliminates dead zones. Enjoy seamless connectivity in every corner of your home. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive, reliable, and user-friendly home security system that gives you complete control and peace of mind, the Ring Alarm Pro is the ultimate choice. It's the perfect blend of security and convenience for modern living. And that's a wrap on the top 5 gadgets for an ultra-modern home. We've covered everything from smart lighting that sets the mood to robot vacuums that clean up after you, thermostats that anticipate your every need, and security systems that keep a watchful eye on your haven. With these devices seamlessly integrated into your living space, you'll be living in the future today, enjoying unparalleled comfort, convenience, and peace of mind. Which one are you most excited to add to your home? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing tech insights. For even more smart home ideas and cutting-edge gadgets, be sure to check out our other videos. We've got a whole library of tech goodness waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.